Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a toggle in Notion, and it's pretty simple. So go to the page where you want to add a toggle, and here you can see this plus button. Simply tap on here and type here slash. Scroll a bit down, here you can see this toggle list option. Tap on here and write there something or ask something for yourself. Or if you simply tap on this arrow option, here you can see empty toggle. Type here something else. So whenever you tap on this add option again, uh, your this option will be hide. So you can hide your something personal things like just like this. Or if you simply tap on, so that's the way how you can add a toggle in a Notion app. That's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.